Rick token base. Here's one way. 6 aces. All right, now we have to wait till all the troops come in. About a minute and a half. So it's just hurry up and wait. Nothing's going to happen other than all the troops are going to come in. They're going to sit in the 4 corners and they're going to wait for us. Down here, we're going to kill these guys first. It's got some Apollos. Just hurry up and wait. Got about a minute. We're just sitting, waiting for all the troops to come in. Once all the troops come in, we'll kill them. And we'll kill these ones quickly with our aces. They're starting to populate in the 4 corners. You can't see them all, but they're there. About half a minute. When it gets to around 12 minutes, everything should be in. You can see they continue to populate. Got a few more here now. We got a few more planes that are going to come in. After they come in, we can attack and kill these guys. Okay, you can see that they've started to populate. All right. So what we do now, we just kill these guys. Now we'll wait till these guys all go back over here. And then we're going to send one devout up here because we got to pull these soldiers out so we can kill them. So when these guys get back over here, right, now we will send one devout. We just got to pull out all the soldiers here so that we can kill them with our aces. Yeah, here they are. These are the guys we need to kill. So just march him through. Just one devout. He'll be fine. Okay, now when these guys come back here, and when these guys go back over there, we will kill these guys. We need to get rid of these guys because ultimately we want to kill these guys here. Okay, so they're nice and lined up for us. Get these guys back here. We'll bring our aces back in and we'll clean out a couple of these guys. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, we're almost done. Now we're going to send one more devout up here. And when he distracts everybody, we're going to send controllers over here. We're just going to kill a couple of these guys. To win the base, you just have to kill a couple of these guys. So once these guys get back over here, we're just going to send a devout. All right, here he goes. He's just on his way. And then while he's doing that, send in 4 controllers. Only thing we're trying to do is kill these guys right here. Once you kill them, you won the base. That's it. See how easy that was? You don't have to kill anything else, and you got your Rick training token. Now go do the same thing. I'll show you, we shouldn't have got much damage at all. Okay, 7 minutes of damage. It's not bad. 2 minutes of damage to the Devouts. 20 seconds of damage. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, now go.